You sure your old man isn't some robot or something?
It's not her fault, okay? Chloe just doesn't like birthdays. She never remembers them, just like her mom.
You say that your parents, they sound like bad people. Your daddy sounds like a jerk. I guess your mama didn't know